Well, my little sawmill shed needs a little house cleaning around here. It's far from done, but it's a little closer than it was. If I'd have checked the prices of a new roof, I would have just put a brand new roof on it. I put used steel on there. It's got nail holes all over it. But for the price I could have got a new one for it, I should have just done that. I used several pieces of this. It's in good condition, except it's got nail holes where I don't want them. Only got about 7 foot of head clearance in the back, in the low side here, and about 10 in the front, or 9 in the front head clearance. But yeah, it's a lot closer to being a shed than it used to be. But man, I wish I'd have just put a whole new roof on it instead of using that used stuff. But I'll get some tar and put on the nail holes. It'll be all right for long enough. But I think I'm gonna really like having it this way, rather than just putting that cover over it. The cover came from Walmart for a grill cover. That cover right there, that's over the sawmill head. But see the beauty of this, when I'm done sawing, logs laying out in the open, where I can use that machine there to load it with. And when I'm done sawing, I just shove the saw head back here. It's under a roof, and I'll put a tarp over this hole here, this open front here, and I'll crank it up the same as you would a semi-trailer with a roll tarp, except I'll be rolling it straight up. I'm not sure how real building specialists build, but I think this is going to work. See ya.